Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever found yourself tangled up with the elusive Black Clover M error code 4001? Well, you're not alone. This mysterious error has been the bane of many a player's experience. From quests to shopping, this error has been known to rear its ugly head, often following a recent game update. Some players report making a purchase but not being able to see it in their account. Others say they can't even access the option to purchase anything. So what's causing this? Well, it could be one of two things. Your purchase might have gone through, but due to a server-side issue, it's not showing up in your account yet. Or there may be bugs in the game preventing you from making a purchase. Now let's talk about the fixes. Before anything else, give your device a good restart. Check if Black Clover M needs an update. If it does, go ahead and update the game. Once that's done, check if the error's still there. If your transaction has gone through but you can't see your purchase, patience is key. Wait for a few hours and check again. If your purchase still isn't showing up, check for a refund. If you haven't received a refund, it's time to contact game support. One player reported getting his pack after reaching out to support. If you're unable to make a purchase at all, it's likely there are bugs in the game or server issues. In this case, all you can do is wait and try again later. If the error persists, reach out to game support. To sum it up, the Black Clover M error code 4001 could be due to server-side issues or game bugs. Fixes include restarting your device, updating the game, waiting for a few hours, and contacting game support. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.